Namaste everyone. Today is 7th of July and there is a very important circular regarding change in portion for 9th and 12th for the academic year 2020-21. Now here we are going to see the change in portion for mathematics for standard 9 first. You can see here that from unit number system. Now what we recommend that you all must visit CBSE website for detailed syllabus as you are in 9th standard. So if you see in number system we have chapter called real number, and in this real number if you see then the portion related is representation of terminating, non-terminating, recurring decimals on the number line through successive magnification. So those students who have already done this, they know that what is representation of terminating, non-terminating, recurring decimals on the number line through the successive magnifications. Those who have not done it, then while going through the chapter, just see to it that this topic is not needed for board point of view. Now the second chapter which is not included or which is deleted is explaining that every real number is represented by a unique point on the number line, and conversely with every point on the number line represents a unique real number. And third, definition of nth root of real number. So these three topics, they are not included in the syllabus, they are removed from the syllabus. Second, in algebra, if you see chapter polynomial, then in this chapter there is a syllabus in which we have to motivate and state the remainder theorem with examples, statement and proof of factor theorem. So these two topics, they are now not there in the syllabus. X cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz, there is a identity which is equals to x plus y plus z into x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. This identity is also not there. So as this identity is not there, the problems related with this identity are also excluded from the syllabus. Now linear equation in two variables. In linear equation in two variables, examples and problems on ratio and proportion, they are not there. So you can exclude this also. In coordinate geometry, you have to do complete topic as there is no deduction. Introduction to Euclid's geometry. Now this complete chapter is excluded. There is no need to go through this chapter, Euclid's geometry. Lines and angles, again you have to do this complete chapter, there is no deduction. Triangles, proof of the theorems, deleted. So application is there, you have to solve the problems based on the theorems, but the theorems you did not have to do. Two triangles are congruent if any two angles and the included side of one triangle is equal to any two angle and the included side of other triangle. So ASA, test of congruency, this topic is deleted. Now topic deleted again is triangles, inequalities and a relation between angles and facing sides, inequalities in the triangle. In quadrilaterals, no deduction, everything is going to come. Circles, there is one and only one circle passing through three given non-collinear point. So this concept is not there. If a line segment joining two points subtends equal angle at the two other point lying on the same side of the line containing the segment, the 4 points lie on the circle. So this topic is also excluded. Constructions, construction of triangle of given perimeter and base angle. So this topic is deleted. Now in mensuration areas, in this chapter, application of Heron's formula and finding the area of quadrilateral, this topic is not there. So we have one chapter in which we have to find area of triangle, area of quadrilateral. So area of triangle is there, but area of quadrilateral by using Heron's formula is excluded. In surface area and volume, there is no deletion, we have to do complete chapter. In statistics, histograms with varying base length, this topic is not there. Frequency polygon is not there. Mean, median and mode of ungrouped data, this topic is also not there. And probability, this is there. We have to study this chapter called probability. So the chapters which are important from 10th point of view, they are all present, and there are many topics or many chapters which are not important for 10th or for your further education. So those topics they have deleted from the portion. So this is a good news for students. Now they don't have to prepare for these topics. So if you see the amount of topic, around 33% of the topic is deleted from your 9th standard maths textbook.